Hello everyone, we're at May Villa and Resort. It is less than an hour away from Hanoi. And while you're here, you can enjoy a combo of horse riding, archery, and grass sledging.
If you're looking for somewhere different to escape the city for a day or a weekend, this place might surprise you. May Villa is located in Sơn Tây, less than a 1-hour drive from central Hanoi, and it feels like a world away from the noise and traffic. One of the main reasons people come here is for horse riding. This is one of the few places near Hanoi where you can actually ride horses in a relaxed, scenic setting, surrounded by gardens, open green space, and quiet countryside.
If you want to try something different in Hanoi, well, maybe this is the place for you, especially if you're a horse lover. All right, let's go explore the place and show you what there is to offer. This horse really likes me.
The riding experience is suitable for beginners as well as people who have ridden before. It's calm, well-controlled, and ideal if you're trying horse riding for the first time, or if you simply want to do something different outside of the city. But May Villa isn't only about the horses. You can also stay overnight here. With villa-style accommodation spread throughout the property, it's popular with couples looking for a quiet getaway, families with kids, or even larger group bookings. There are plenty of extra activities on site, including archery, grass sledding, a beautiful swimming pool, and wide open garden areas, perfect to create picture-perfect moments. Food and drinks are available, so you don't need to plan much in advance. What really makes this place work is the space. Everything is organized perfectly, it never feels crowded, and it's easy to spend a full day here without feeling rushed. If you're searching for horse riding near Hanoi, a family-friendly day trip, or a short countryside stay close to the sea, May Villa is one of those unique opportunities in northern Vietnam. If you found this useful, hit that like and subscribe button, and until next time, keep on adventuring.